This is a short video about the Nakamichi RM-300 remote controller device. This is the remote controller, and we can see now the firmware version of the unit. We have the choice to dim the display to our like, or completely turn it off. Let's see first the basic functions: rewind, fast forward, and of course we have a queuing function. Now playback. As for a specialty, we have a one button punch recording function. Pressing a single button will make device go into recording immediately. Of course, we have a conventional recording button which will put the device into record pause mode. We can reset the counter, and of course we can use the REMM function. We can add the track, add another one, or if we don't like, we can remove that one, and we can start it using. Of course, we can delete the REMM memory with the press of a button. Thank you.